We'll be leaving for the US to visit our students undergoing work and travel program. First, of course, sa Ohio, sa may Alabama, and then Los Angeles, California. So, we wish good luck. And sila po ay kakamustahin namin, titingnan namin ang kalagayan nila. And we wish everyone sana ay magdasal sa kanila, tuloy-tuloy. Titingnan po namin sila. At yan po ang aming mission ni Chubbs.
Yes. And quick facts lang, meron tayong ngayong 58 students na nandun. So it's parang pinakamarami in the recent years. So let's wish them good luck and we hope na meron silang great experience doon.
Thank you very much.